my name is Minnie and I will be telling you why people are destroying nature. So I'm sharing this information so you don't destroy nature. And I'm sharing this because I want to take action and share information about nature. And some reasons that people destroy nature is to get palm oil for animals' fur, or sometimes they don't appreciate nature, also cutting down trees for polluting water, or they just like destroying nature. We can take action by recycling paper, not buying palm oil, and learning to love nature. Thank you. And destroying nature is bad because you are destroying these animals, and these animals are dying and getting hurt because their homes are getting destroyed, and the forest is getting destroyed, including the rainforest. Also, a lot of people are trying to stop people who are destroying nature. So everyone can help by planting more trees. Don't waste water, don't put rubbish in the sea, and don't waste water. Animals also have feelings, and trees give us oxygen. So please don't destroy nature by taking action.